Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another crochet braid video for you guys, but before we get started, happy 2022. Like, I'm pretty sure this is going to be the first video for the new year, or at least the first content video for the new year. I probably already uploaded a vlog. If you want to watch the vlogs, definitely be sure to check the description box down below. I'll have that link for you guys. But y'all, like, I love that we are starting off with crochet braids this new year, because what? Like, how cute is this? How cute is this? So thank you so much to Toyotress for sponsoring today's video. They sent me their deep wave crochet hair. If you guys are not new to my channel, then you have probably already seen my review that I put up last month on their ocean wave hair. If you have not seen it, it will be linked in the description box down below for you guys to check out. But I loved that hair, and this is the only other curl pattern I'm pretty sure that they have on their channel, that they have on their website. They have other styles, like I think locks and stuff, but I think these are the only two like curly crochet braid patterns. So I wanted to go ahead and review the other one for you guys, which is this one, since I already reviewed the ocean wave. So this deep wave, I mean, it's a vibe. Like, I think it's so cute. So let's just go ahead and jump right into me unboxing the hair and the installation process. Hey y'all, so it is a few days later. I just wanted to come and show you guys how the hair actually looks just like out, and it's just kind of like fro realness right here. This is not how I've been wearing the hair for the last few days, and I'm going to show that to you guys. But before I do it, I just wanted to show y'all how it looks just out, because I'm pretty sure I did not come back to show you guys after I had installed it. So it's only been, I think it's been like 2-3 days since I installed the hair. So this is how it looks. It is only 10 inches, you guys. So you can see how short it is right here, and I did not cut the hair at all. I mean, you don't have too much to work with, so I would really recommend, even if you do want a short style, to just get the 12 or the 14 inch, just so that you're able to kind of shape it, unless you really like this shape, how it looks on me, and this is like perfect for you, then okay, 10 inches. But otherwise, I would really recommend be able to do the shaping yourself to get at least the 12 or the 14 inch hair. But I still think it's really cute. I don't know too much how I feel about it. Just like, I don't know, just like out like this, like it's, I don't know. Like, what do we think? What do we think? Show y'all the back. I think it just gives very much like natural fro. So if that's the type of style that you're going for, then sis, this is the one. And y'all can see I did the invisible part in the middle, so it looks really good down here, like nice and seamless, like you don't have a whole lot of knots and stuff. I feel like for this hair, because it is so short, that only a middle part will work, unless you're going to do like a side part, but you're going to do it with like a bang. If you want it to be a side part, but you want the hair to go like this, I don't think it's really going to fall properly, just because the hair is so short. So that's why I went ahead and opted for the middle part. But yeah, this is how it's looking. So I'm going to go ahead and style the hair how I've been wearing it for the last few days, and then I'll come back and show you guys, and then we'll wrap up the video. Okay, y'all, so this is how I've been wearing the hair for the last few days. I think this is just such a cute, fun little style. And you guys know I love these little butterfly clips. I wear these all the time. I just think they're so cute. So basically 2 little buns, the back is out. One thing I do want to say is that I did kind of comb this hair out. So I used this wide tooth comb to just kind of like fluff it. So I didn't comb it from like root to tip, but I literally just kind of, I basically use it as a pick, as if this were like real natural hair, to just kind of get it at the root and just kind of get it so that you can kind of fluff it a little bit. And it just makes it a little bigger, a little fuller. And let me go ahead and tell y'all about the number of packs that I used. So you get, I want to say you get 10. You either get 8 or you get 10 of these packs. I'm gonna look it up and put it on the screen for y'all when I'm editing, but this is what one pack looks like. And I only have this one pack and this left, which is probably like a half a pack. So I used about, if we get 8, I used about 6 and a little bit. I'm pretty sure it's 8. I don't think I used that many, so it's probably 8. And I probably used 6 and a little bit for this style. So I could definitely go ahead and take this hair and just plug it in somewhere in the back, definitely, because the hair is not heavy at all. That is one thing I will say, is it feels like I have nothing on my head. So if you are someone who has a problem with weighted, like heavyweight styles, I feel like that doesn't even make sense. Styles that are heavy, this one is definitely going to be a good one for you. And obviously it's short, so you don't have all of that like extra length and everything. But let me show you guys the tool I use. So this is my crochet beater. Or it's not really a crochet beater, it's really a jewelry beater. I get questions about this all the time, and I'm gonna start remembering to link the specific video where I showed how I use this tool in like slow motion, like real time, so you guys can check that out. But this is literally a jewelry beater. You can get it from Amazon, Walmart. My few beauty supply stores that I've gone to actually have it, where they have like the beads and stuff that you use for braids. So that's where you can find this. A lot less damaging than this tool, which you're gonna get one of these in the hair bag. So if you do like to use the latch hook, you're gonna get one in the bag when you get the hair, but if you don't, you can definitely pick this up as well. So yes, and like I mentioned, I'm pretty sure I mentioned that I did not cut the hair. So of course I trimmed off maybe just a little bit on the ends or whatever, but I didn't really cut it like how I normally cut my crochet hair. But overall, you guys, I really like this hair a lot. I think it's so cute, and like really me with the 2 buns like in the back, like this kind of cute short fro is adorable to me. Like I love this style, so I would definitely wear this one again. This once again is the deep wave. So if you guys have not seen my first video, which for this company Toyotress, which is the ocean wave hair, I actually have 2 reviews on that, the original and the update, so I'll put both of those in the description box for you guys to check out. The hair texture is probably the same. You guys, one thing I will say about this hair is that I have never used a crochet hair that splits so easily. Like, to me, this resembles, I don't want to say like human hair, but this is like some really nice crochet braid hair. And I just want to show y'all, like, even just up close, like it is very, very soft. And then when you pull it, literally me pulling it in half, do y'all see that? Like, nothing, like no like harsh, you don't have to pull really hard. It doesn't get like stuck in the middle where it like starts to mat and you kind of have to pull it or you have to cut it. Like, I don't know. I don't know what kind of technique or what kind of hair or whatever they use for their crochet, but when I tell y'all it's so soft and splits so easily, I love that. Love it. Okay, because y'all know I review a lot of crochet braid hairs, and although they're usually not too difficult to split apart, when I tell you every single strand split beautifully, like with no issue. So speaking of splitting, because I don't know if I showed you guys or not when I was installing it, I split each piece into 2. Some I split in 3, just depending on the thickness of it, but most of them I just split in half. So y'all know, if you've been to my channel before, I would never install this whole one as one by itself. Never. I split all my crochet braid hair. So this one you guys can see, well, maybe you can't, but it's a little thicker. So this one I would probably do in 3, but yeah. And then you guys saw that I did the, do we want to call it an invisible knot technique? I guess kind of like around the perimeter, and the same way for the middle part. I showed you guys in previous videos how I do it, but I know I showed y'all in this video that I just used the beater right here and just inserted it this way through the braid so that, let me show you guys up close how the hairline looks. So I did not really, oh, we have a little peekaboo right here, but I just need to tease it a little bit. I didn't do too much teasing around the hairline this time just because, I don't know, like wearing it in these buns, I didn't really feel like I needed to do it, but I probably will at some point just go in and kind of tease the front, which will just help to conceal the hairline even more. But doing the beater this way is like such a game changer because you literally do not have any knots in the front. Like, even though you may be able to still see the like lines here from your parting from your cornrows, over time, like a few days or so, y'all know that's gonna start to loosen up, and you'll just use, you know, your edge brush or whatever to just brush it. But not having those knots in the front, it just looks so much nicer. So I'm so happy that I started doing it this way. But I feel like I've been rambling for like a mad long and we don't even have anything else to talk about. The hair is bomb, you guys. I'm gonna have it linked in the description box down below for y'all, so y'all can definitely check that out, the direct link to the hair. I will link my previous review for this company, the Ocean Wave, down below as well, so you guys can check that out. I'm gonna put the price on the screen for y'all. And yes, like, let me know what y'all think, like, and let me know if you like the fro. Like, if you wear it just out like that, just in the middle part, let me know, because I feel like it's giving very much like wash and go, you can't tell me this is not my hair, you know. I think it's cute as well, but just on me, I feel like it's the buns. You feel me? So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, sis, on your post notifications, everything, and let me know if y'all want to update on this hair as well, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.